This question is primarily about bearings. We've been given facts about directions of which Jamal is paddling in a boat on a lake, and we've also been given a speed which he paddles along this lake. So it's a mixture of speed, time, bearings, and distances, and we've been asked to find how long it will take him to get back to the nearest minute. We're going to have to put this information on a diagram because I don't want to read all this stuff twice. Okay, point A, he paddles on a bearing of 50 degrees until he reaches point B. So there's his first journey. Now he's at point B, then he paddles 1.6 kilometers on a bearing of 142. 142 is down in this direction slightly, but I've got to guess the length. Fortunately, I'm right to put it there because I'm told that the bearing of point C, which is this guy from A, is 98 degrees. So it's 90 degrees plus 8 degrees more pointing downwards. So let's put on the remaining line. So if this whole angle here, the angle from the vertical right to pointing at C, is 98, this angle in here must be 48 degrees. And working out the top angle, this is 50 degrees because of alternate angles here. Here's the Z. And this angle here is 180 minus 142, which is 38 degrees. So combined, this is 88 degrees. So all we're told about his journey back from C to A is that he paddles at a speed of 7.2 kilometers per hour. So we need to know this distance. So I'm going to call this distance B as its opposite angle B. Well, we've got a non-right angled triangle. The rule with that is we're going to have to either use the sine or the cosine rules. Can we use the sine rule? Well, yes, we can. And it's because we've got a side angle pair that we know everything about, 48 degrees and 1.6 kilometers. So I can say that sine A, which I'm going to call this angle here, divided by the side, which is 1.6, must be equal to the sine of this angle here, which is equal to sine 88 degrees, divided by the length we're interested, which is B. Oh, I should say that this actually is equal to 48 degrees. Rearranging the furniture, I get that B is equal to 1.6 divided by sine 48 degrees, multiplied by sine of 88 degrees. And if you pop that into a calculator, you get the answer of 2.15 kilometers. So as speed is distance over time, time is equal to distance divided by the speed. So our time for A to C must be equal to the distance, which is our number here from the calculator. Remember to use all the available digits on its display, divided by the speed, which we're told is 7.2. And we get an answer of 0.2988, and on it goes. And this will be hours because our speed is quoted in kilometers per hour. So therefore in minutes, we need to find out what 0.2988 is of an hour. Well, an hour is 60 minutes. So this will give us an answer in minutes. And the calculator gives 17.9308, and on it goes, which is 18 minutes to the nearest minute. And that will be your answer.